Now everybody again, collect. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now you take some more off where you had 50 or 50%, or you had 5 contracts. Shave more. Do you see how this works? Now here's what's nice. This is what's nice about this. You've made money from here to up here on your first collection. And you made money, which is same spot, from here to here on the next set. Do you see how this works? Profit, 50%. Profit, 20%. You have 30% to ride. Does that make sense, everyone? All right.
Hey, Coach, where do you go to collect a percentage instead of collecting the whole thing?
Same thing. You just do a order sell, except you change the quantity you had. So here was 5. Here was 3 or 2, whatever you want to do. What do? I always do 5, 2, 2, 1. Okay. So right here would have been 5, 50%. Right here would have been another 20%. Right here would be another 20%. You have 1 left. Yes? Do you see how this works?
Boom.
And now you're down here. This will be your last. This is where the buck stops, right here.
That's where you get kicked out.
Does that make sense, everyone? I need you on this page with me right now.
Yeah, Coach.
All right. Thank you. That is how you make your money. So again, let me draw it on the screen. You bought here. I don't care if you scalped or 2 minutes. They were the exact same location, right? You shaved up when it pulled back. Here's 50%. You shaved again when it pulled back. There was 20%. You shaved again right here. That's 20%. You now have 10% or 1 contract if you had 10. Now this is what you need to look at. You bought it here. So you had 1 up to here. 1 here. If you look at the average of 50, 20, 20, do you guys all see my screen, right? That means your average is going to be about right here or a little higher. Do you see that?
We do, Coach.
All right. Now, if this decides to run again later, because it doesn't mean it's done, we don't know. When should you look at a re-entry, everyone? Right here.
171, yep.
New high day when it's new high day.
That's right. So your re-entry will be above 174 and your stop will be right below it, because if it touches the ceiling again, it has to break and hold, or guess where it's going to go again? Yes? Okay, good. Because now you guys know, you all know, and you should be charting it out. Your level of resistance is 174. That's a hard level of resistance.
But the important part that I wanted to point out is I risked 0.1% of my account. I got in Tesla on the break of VWAP, and I've been kicking myself for a while that I only got in with 1 contract. But then I started looking at that, and I looked at my risk to reward, and I risked 0.1% of my account, and I made 10%.
That is awesome. You made 10% of your total account?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Great job, partner. How's that feel?
It feels really good.
That's beautiful, man. The risk to reward ratio was perfect. You went in. What do I always say, everyone? Small position size, base hits, which equals less risk, right? Higher reward. And your single hit right here just turned into a home run derby on you, right?
Yep.
And that's it. And by the way, if Truckin had 3 of his worst days he's ever had, the maximum amount of risk that he could ever have on his total account is 3%, which means he just made off of this 1 trade with low risk. He just made back over 3 of his worst trading days he's ever had. Does that make sense, everyone?
Yes. Hey, Coach.